Hi, welcome back. In this video we're going to show you how the engines are being disassembled, the modules are being disassembled, the modules being inspected, and how the individual parts are being sent out for internal and external repair.
Das heisst, wir müssen den raus. Ja. Gemäß dem. Tun wir das so machen?
Ja,
tun wir das als Review aufnehmen?
Ja.
Gut.
Ich würde Ihnen empfehlen, das nochmal separat so ein Foto machen. Das wäre so gut.
Das machen wir.
Ja.
Hi, my name is Fabrizio Spina. I'm the supervisor at the engine line department. Let me show you what we do. After we receive the shop order from the tech supporter, we pick up the engine and hang it on the so-called gantry. The first step is to remove all the tubes, harness, brackets and components. As next, we focus on the module removal. After the module is removed, we get more insight about the condition of the engine. This is important for the further process of the module. Based on the pre-inspection, the module goes either to the inspection department or to the module disassembly department.
After module inspection is completed, and that shows that we need a work scope upgrade, we need to liaise back with our customer. If the work scope upgrade has been approved, that's when we continue with module disassembly, either partly or to part level. Then at module disassembly, this is where we go ahead and proceed with blade removal, vane removal, the casings are being removed, individual seals are being removed, bushings, and so on and so forth. We've managed the entire disassembly of the engine and its modules in a standardized TAT. Regardless of the engine's condition, how badly worn the individual parts are, or what the work scope may be.